This video will show you how to make a Google Sheets file available offline. Once your Google Sheets file is opened, at the upper right part of the screen, click the File menu. After clicking that, just hover your mouse cursor downward until you get here on Make Available Offline. Click that and you'll see Document Now Available Offline. If you want to remove the access of it being available offline, just click the same options. File menu, Remove Offline Access. And you'll see that the document no longer available offline. You can also make a Google Sheets file offline without opening the Google Sheets file. Once you're signed in your Google account, go to Google Drive. After that, click the location where your Google Sheets file is located. Mine is located in Start, so I'm going to click Start, and this is the file that I want to make available offline. At its right side, you will see the three dots. Click it, and choose the second to the last option, Make Available Offline. And you'll see here, making one file available offline. And that's how to make a Google Sheets file available offline. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more bite-sized tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.